Famous Life CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with MommaB, and we're going to be doing a face-off today. So today we're going to be reacting to Levz Options. If you don't know, Levz was part of the group 30 Kings, but they've now gone their separate ways, so pretty gutted about it, but pretty keen that he's dropped a song.
Always support the boys,
always support the brothers. Yeah, so who knows, we might hear about what happened in this song. So this song's called Options, and the next song we're going to be reacting to is Trigarow, Last Night in Auckland, LNIA. So pretty keen to see. They're both really short songs, 2 minutes. Thank you to everyone that's requested for us to react to this. Appreciate it heaps. Let's go.
Don't forget to support Poly Movement, stunner from New Zealand. Facebook and Instagram. Check out their online shopping. Shop on online. And also Moni. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook.
So I have it down in the description box for you guys to check out. Description box is just underneath this video. You'll see a disclaimer and just click show more, and you know, it should work. Yep.
Okay, let's go.
So it's audio. Have some water for this, might be fire.
Boom!
Totally different.
See, that's how I was raised up. Was told to work and try and earn me some proper paper. Prime man on a 5 will earn me and my boys a pay cut. It's funny looking back cause it was never in my favour. Now my vision's so clear I don't need to worry about labour. Boom! Got told young man's got old soul. Thinking about my choices and wise decisions I hold. And I ain't never felt so free. I'm only focused on me and play my music and speak. The money come fast and it's off. Up, two down and they pump it. Out of you and she always gotta top it. Let's go and pop this.
So this is giving me sort of Levz vibes, the way he sounds. I quite like it.
Different from what they did together.
Yeah, together, yeah. And he's saying something about being free now, so Illuminati. Alright, let's go.
There's too many ways for me to pop it. Two up, two down, and they pump it. I ain't doing this for clout, you better stop it. Cause you ain't pop it. You better I'm just trying to get by. Ain't got a violate a thing, I'm just doing my thing, yeah. Hold my dream, I might have to go in for this.
Sounds free.
Ain't got a violate a thing, I'm just doing my thing, yeah. Options, the money come fast and it's often. Two up, two down, and they pump it. Got a bad one and she always gotta top it. Let's go and pop this. Options, there's too many ways for me to pop it. Two up, two down, and they pump it. I ain't doing this for clout, you better stop it. Cause I ain't pop it. See, that's how I was raised up. Was told to work and try and earn me some proper paper. Prime man on a 5 will earn me and my boys a pay cut. It's funny looking back cause it was never in my favour. Now my vision's so clear I don't need to worry about labour. Boom! Got told young man's got old soul. Thinking about my choices and wise decisions I hold. And I...
Is that still him? It sounds like someone different. Like,
Iski.
Nah, not Iski. Sounds like, Sweets or something. Like a teeny bit, I don't know. Sounds different.
So free, I'm only focused on me and play my music and speak. The money come fast and it's off. Two up, two down, and they pump it. Got a young one and she always gotta top it. Let's go and pop this. Options, there's too many ways for me to pop it. Two up, two down, and they pump it. I ain't doing this for clout, you better stop it. Cause you ain't pop it. You better.
So fams, now we're gonna react to Trigarow, Last Night in Auckland.
Have you heard of them?
Main road.
This guy requested on Instagram DMs. Normally we don't take requests on Instagram.
Yeah.
We mainly focus on because I forget. So I'd rather everyone commented below who they'd like us to react to.
Yeah, because then we can filter it and switch it up here.
It's easier for us. Usually when we go to write down a list, I forget all about what's on Instagram. So sorry about that, it's my fault. But this guy requested Trigarow, requested it on Instagram.
The magic word was Auckland, so that's how she remembered. Right. 2 minutes 6 seconds. It's quite loud, isn't it? Oh. S.Major. Wait a minute. Is this guy from Cassie or something?
From Micronesia.
Oh yeah.
Talk shit online, bro, tag me in it. Roasting, what happy rhymes with it. I play mind games, keep your heads.
I like that it has subtitles. But also, you knew we were going to react to this. See, I like, the way he kicked in, I like his flow.
When my name's in your mouth, I'm winning court cars on these boy, you ain't fit. I am the best, forget what you heard. America has American rappers, don't need no more from NZ. Are you Samoan American or are you African American or are you New Zealand American or fake like WWE Raw? Are you Australian American or Polynesian American? No, not from the States, that's not how we talk. Get out of my scene, I'll show you the door. I don't do the talk, I just demonstrate. You don't walk the walk, I will not debate how many bits you dropped this year. I don't think I need your opinion, mate. You ain't about to work, never match my rate. What you know about rapping every day? In 4 days, my last bit hit 20k. I don't think I need your opinion, mate.
Wow, definitely to someone.
Shots at us, eh? You don't know. Wow. So yeah, I like how he said I sort of cracked up a bit when he said have you dropped a video? No, so I didn't need your opinion.
20k.
Yeah.
So it's definitely to someone. Comment down below.
Yeah. He's triggered, man.
I know.
Somebody hurt his feelings last night in Auckland. So he's from America.
This you just visit Insecure Talk, show me your limits. Don't Facebook talk, show me some lyrics. Competition, I hear critics with the rhymes. I'm like Popeye on spinach. Why you talking about dressing and not about lyrics? Ain't focused on flows, focused on my image. Not a musician, you're a stylist in it. When it comes to rap, all you is timid. Delivery, accent, who's the limit? Why do I laugh at your empty shots? Cause a king will always laugh at a gimmick. Why do I laugh at your empty shots? Cause a king will always laugh at a gimmick. Get out of here with that BS. It's the new way.
Get out of here. Damn, I'm confused with the title and the lyrics. So is he saying he basically just thought of the song on his last night in Auckland, or what do you think of that, MommaB?
So what do you think of Trigarow last night in Auckland?
What did you think? No, it wasn't too bad. He was really triggered, shooting a lot of shots. I was a bit confused with the title and the lyrics. I'm guessing he's just saying that he did the song on his last night in Auckland or something. Yeah, I mean, visuals are pretty nice and simple, just him rapping, you know. Yeah.
Would you rate it?
I'll give it a 7. It's not too bad. It's quite short. Yeah. I needed more.
Okay, you know, a lot of people take cheap shots at you, at us. You just need to carry on and do things, because other people request that. If someone's going to take you down, you know, be a troll online, not accept what we've said or rubbish what we say, all goods.
As we say,
We don't expect everybody to agree with us.
Yeah.
But all we want is, it's just our own personal opinions.
Yeah, everyone's different, you know.
Yeah.
Just like you guys have your opinion, we have ours. We have ours, you have yours.
I give him I'd say a 6.
Yeah. I think I'll give him
I don't understand the reason why. I mean, I understand the reason, but I don't understand the full story.
Yeah.
2 sides to every story. This guy requested that we react to his track. We have. It's different, but big ups to...
Yeah, you
to
gotta
the
keep
brother.
up your
Yeah.
thing. Can't wait to see what other stuff you come up
Yeah,
with
we'll check out
throughout
the
the
other
year.
stuff
Yeah.
and have a look.
Keep us busy during this coronavirus period, you know?
Mm.
Yeah. Oh, what did you think of Lev's options, MommaB?
Levz, what was that? Focusing on money, getting money there, eh?
On himself, basically.
Yeah, focusing on himself now, since they've split. I mean, as a group, split as a group. I just hope that, because it's totally different sound, totally different to what they did together as 30 Kings. So this must be what he's always wanted to do, that genre.
Hence worthy. And I hope that is why, you know, not for beef or anything.
Yeah.
Damn.
No, I remember seeing Sweets share a post or something from Levz, so they're still supporting each other, which is really good. Yeah. I'd give it a 9 based on, I'd love to see a video though, but it's based on what I feel for these boys. Like that last video that we reacted to where the part 1, that was really heart-wrenching.
Yeah, and true.
And I know they can do well together because they've proven it. And they've done that path. Now they're leading their own path. Now he's doing this.
Experimenting, I like it.
Yeah, it's really nice. And my heart goes out to these boys.
Yeah.
Like, we've not met them, but just through their music and through what we're doing, reacting, it's nice.
Yeah, it really is.
Like, I only wish both of them the best. And Levz, yeah, definitely. I feel he's more comfortable
doing
this. Yeah.
He suits this genre. I reckon he suits it. I guess he's showing more of what he is like, what he's about, what he wants to do. Definitely backing this guy 100%, backing the bro. Yeah, I like it.
What did you rate it?
I'll give it an 8. Yeah. Yeah, keep it up, bro. Can't wait to see what other content you have. Keen.
Yeah.
Appreciate the request, fam. Hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Much love to everyone. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay sanitized, and don't forget Poly movement, fam. Support the bros. Yeah. See you guys in the next reaction video, fam.